Section 10, Shadow Analysis. Lecture number 3rd, Shadow Analysis and Inter-row Spacing, Part 3rd. Learning objectives of lecture number 3rd. Learner should able to understand shadow length and inter-row spacing. Learner should able to understand backtracking of solar module according to solar azimuth. This is specifically animation of inter-row spacing between the solar panel. According to this sun path chart, we are guessing or we are calculating the azimuth angle and altitude angle of a sun. By knowing the azimuth angle and the altitude angle of a sun, we calculate the length of a shadow that is being generated by the first row of an solar panel. This is the tilt angle of an solar panel. This is the length of an shadow. So the length of an shadow should not be fall over the solar panels in the second row. So it is very much important that the length of an shadow should be considered while placing the second row in a solar system. According to the horizontal side, we are taking the solar azimuth